why. This is why I don't let him come on.
It's not my responsibility.
All you do is come on here and lie. This
finger.
is literally the reason why I don't let him come on here, because all he does is come on here and lie. Why you gonna tell that lie?
What you need a break for? You need a break from this marriage, or?
Loki. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I am here today to participate in the husband challenge. So a few of my planner girlfriends and I were with our husbands a couple of weeks ago, and they just swore up and down that they knew everything about the planner community. So I said, well, let's get them on camera, create a list of some of the things that they may not actually know about, and see if they actually know these things, and see just how much they know about planning in the planner community. So of course I am going to be here with my husband, and then I will also be linking down below the videos for the other girls and the videos that they have filmed with their husband. And feel free to participate in the challenge. It's just something that we decided to do amongst ourselves. So let me go get my husband and we will be right back. Okay, so I am here with my husband, Mr. Budgets. Do you think that you have what it takes?
Of course I do. I got the skills that pays the bills.
First of all, we need to make it clear that my husband has a big head. So therefore, he's going to think that he's going to win even if he totally loses. So are you ready to get started?
I'm ready. Let's go.
All right, some of these are going to be tricky. Some of these you may know. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's
go ahead and go down the list. Can you tell me what this is? And I'll let you see the front.
A sticker book.
This is a sticker book?
I mean, it's, oh, wait, so this is the real, alright, hold on. So I gotta get the real official name of it. I don't have a word bank of
no,
to choose from.
No.
That is, hold on, let me see what's inside of it. Is the name on the front?
Yes.
It is, it's a notebook, a sticker notebook. A budget sticker.
You don't have to worry about like budget and all that. Just what would this be considered? If I say, can you run to the store and grab me one of these from Michael's, what would this be considered?
That would be a mini sticker book.
I'm so close, but not quite.
What is it? Sticker pad!
Sticker pad!
I think I get points for that.
You don't.
What did I say? A mini sticker book.
A mini sticker book. Alright, you ready?
That's a mini sticker pad.
Are you ready to continue?
I'm ready. I get credit for that.
What type of washi is this?
I was going to say it's washi.
It is. What type of washi is this?
It's blue washi.
Is that your final answer?
No.
I'm going to tell you a little small hit. I'm talking about the brand.
Happy washi? Simply Gilded. That was going to be my next
0
guess.
for 2.
Half for 2.
So we have some stickers here. And I would like for you to tell me, it's a little hot, what type of sticker this is.
It is. Oh, that's gold foil. That's a gold foil sticker.
Yeah. I was looking for foil sticker.
Yeah.
Good job.
Gold foil.
Good job.
So 1.5 out of 3.
What is this?
Let's see. Well, it says plan a happy life.
Don't worry about all that. I'm saying, if I say, can you run to the store and pick me up this? What? Oh, look at us.
I would say that is a mini happy planner.
Good job, my dude. Okay.
So that's 2.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. What is this?
Let me see. Let me investigate. Well, it says happy life on the front. So I am going to say this is a happy planner. Regular happy planner.
What's another word for regular?
Ordinary.
That you are.
Normal. It's the original happy planner. The OG. The OG happy planner.
It is a classic.
Classic happy planner.
Classic happy planner. I don't know about. Ooh, this one's tricky.
I don't even know what that is.
You don't.
Let me see. I don't even know what this is supposed to do. Oh, you can't see me playing with it. That's a hole punch. I don't even know how to put it in.
This paper's too thin.
Or it's too big. What is it doing? Oh! That's a corner maker. Or let me see. So the R stands for round, probably. It's a round. It's an edge rounder.
A corner rounder.
A corner rounder.
Corner rounder. Okay, what we're not gonna do.
Oh, that's cool.
Whoa.
Hold on. Yeah, hold on.
Since you're in the spirit, what do we have?
That's a hole puncher. That's a happy punch.
I need you to figure out
What it's
what
called?
you have eyelash there. I need you to tell me what this is.
It's a happy punch. Or let me see. Oh, that's where you could put the put your own spiral things on your planner or in your book. It's a happy something because it's made by Happy Planner.
So what does that make it?
That makes it a happy punch.
A happy planner punch.
I give points for that.
I give you a little something.
A happy punch,
I give
happy
you half.
planner punch.
I give you half a point.
It's a happy punch.
Moving on. What have we here?
That, hold on, let me see. It's either a pen or something sharp. And it is something sharp, ain't it?
It is.
Alright, so it's not a pen. It doesn't write. It's a slicer. Happy slice.
It is a craft knife.
A craft knife.
Yes. Moving on.
AKA a slicer.
What do we have here?
Oh, that's correction tape. I know that.
But you're wrong.
What? No, that's whiteout stuff. No? Is it not correction tape? Correction whiteout?
I'll let you look at it, but you can't remove my finger.
Oh, because it's got whatever it is. Mm-hmm. What is this, clear tape? Wait, so that tape is correction tape, right? Or no? That's correct. This clear stuff right here.
It's not.
What is that?
I can't tell you that. That's the name of it.
You sure that ain't correction tape? Because I done broke several of those before. I thought it was correction tape.
You don't know? Take a wild guess.
I mean, as wild as you need to be is correction tape. Or no, it's hold on, let me see what do you use it for?
What does it look like? What does it look like?
It looks like tape.
Okay, then what do you use tape for?
To tape stuff together.
Okay, there you go.
So it's not correction tape. That's I don't know, happy tape.
It is adhesive runner. Tape runner.
Adhesive runner.
Yeah, because it does this, it makes it a runner. But
Okay,
since you're in the spirit, what's this?
Correction tape. Is that correction
Correct.
tape? Right.
Ding, ding, ding.
What's the difference?
One's white out, one's
hold
tape.
Hold on now. This is the same thing.
One is white out and one is
it's
tape.
It's the same thing.
One is white out and one is tape. And yes, you have broken multiples of that before.
Okay, so it does say adhesive, permanent adhesive, and this one says correction tape. Okay.
You're doing bad. Okay. Now, we all know these are stickers. Duh.
Lion King stickers.
Planning City used code SHAY20 for 20% off. But what is this?
A sticker sheet.
Come on, dude.
What?
You help me work on orders every day, and we sell
stickers.
But what do we sell primarily?
Sticker kits.
Come on, dude. Yes.
That's what it is. A sticker
Yes.
kit? What? I said sticker sheets. You said what?
Okay.
So
multiple sticker sheets make what?
So one sheet is a sticker sheet. I was saying, you know, I was just looking at this one.
Why? I said, what is this?
So I said they're sticker sheets.
So this is a pen.
A pen.
But what kind is it?
A good one.
It is.
That was a good.
It is, because you probably steal these.
I do.
You do.
I used to. I was looking for any. I don't think you have any more black ones.
I have plenty. They're smuggled away. What is this?
That is. Hold on. I know it. I know it. Is that a Simply Gilded pen?
Boy, you know I ain't got no Simply Gilded pens. When have you ever heard me say I had?
Okay. I don't know. It was just fresh on my mind. Inkjoy.
I do.
Hey!
You probably still lost. Okay, what about this?
That is, hold on, let me see that. That's a felt tip.
Oh, don't touch it.
I had to see if it was felt.
Can't show you no more than this.
Alright, so it's a felt tip pen?
It is, but
The name of it.
Oh God. If I sent you to the store and I said felt tip pen, that wouldn't do the trick. You would have to bring back this.
Inkjoy. Wait, no, that one was Inkjoy.
It is Papermate.
Papermate.
But I'll tell you that, but that's not the type. If that's an Inkjoy, then this is a
Papermate.
Flare.
Papermate Flare?
Yeah, got that wrong. Down to your last little few. What's this? You can touch and feel.
That's an insert.
You do insert it, but it's not.
This is a tab. It's a tab. It's a
close.
It's a happy planner tab. A happy tab.
It's a dashboard.
A dashboard.
That's what we call that. Listen, you staring at it for 10 minutes ain't gonna make it turn into whatever it is.
No, alright. So what I'm looking at, I'm trying to think. What would I call it? Like if if I invented this, what would I call it? I would call this a happy tab.
That is a happy tab. You can tell that ain't.
It's a happy tab.
No, you definitely don't know what this is at all.
I don't.
You have zero clue because you've never seen me do that. But I was doing that in New York.
What is this? Do you
while
take
you
this
were out
off?
roaming.
Oh, it comes out.
They both do. You don't need to because that ain't gonna make you. That ain't.
I want to see what it is. Oh, I know. This is easy. Really? Easy. It's fancy. This is just a fancy. It's a paperweight.
That ain't no dang old taper. What? No,
a paperweight.
That is not no paperweight.
So you don't put this on.
You don't.
All right. So how do you use it? And
I'm about to tell you when we get to the second part.
All right. Don't tell me what it is. Tell me how you use it.
Okay. Well, tell me what this is.
They're used together.
Just tell me what this is. I said.
Those are clear stickers. A sticker kit.
Come on, dude. How can that be a sticker kit if that's a sticker kit?
It's just different types of stickers. These are gel stickers. Or...
Actually, that wasn't fair because I didn't
They're 3D stickers. They're 3D... Oh, ooh.
That wasn't fair because I had them both. So...
I don't know, rubber, gel, 3D.
This is a stamp. These are stamps.
Those are stamps.
And this is a
stamp presser? A stamp weight. A stamp. Oh! I bet you put the stamps down and you put that on top of it to press them down and keep them down.
You do? So what does that make this?
A stamp presser.
A stamping block.
A stamping block. Stamping block, paperweight.
You got one more, you gonna get it?
I don't know. What's...
You have one more.
Dun, dun, dun.
Dun, dun, dun.
I already did that. That's a mini happy planner.
These are
not spirals, but wait, I know this. Those are Rings. Those are rings.
They're not.
These are.
They're not.
They're mini rings. Mini.
They're not.
Because these are the bigger ones. I know they sell. You can buy these individually.
You can.
In all different colors.
You can.
They let you take the pages out or whatever.
They do.
They are. It's not,
oh, don't open it. It's my work.
Just stuff.
Yep.
They're not spirals. They're not rings. What does it start with? Do they start with a B? Huh? Dot, dot, dot.
Dun, dun, dun.
I thought you were trying to tell me the
I
answer.
was giving you a little sneak. Duh.
They are... Dual rings? Dual... Disc. These are discs. These are discs. I knew that. They're discs.
We lose. But the good thing is you are not an extension of me. So, just because you suck doesn't mean that I suck or that we suck together.
We suck as one.
No.
What do we do?
I ain't got my ring on, do you?
No, I don't.
I have my ring on.
Oh,
So,
I don't have mine on.
we lost my engagement ring, so there's that. But
You lost your engagement ring.
I don't know why. This is why I don't let him
It's
come on.
not my responsibility.
All you do is come on here and lie. This is
finger.
literally the reason why I don't let him come on here, because all he does is come on here and lie. Why you gonna tell that lie?
It's not my responsibility to keep a ring on your finger.
Okay, well, had you not bothered it and did all that flipping and
Have
popping,
you had it on your finger?
you know I take it off to get my little
Had
finger
you
a
had
break.
it on your finger?
All right, you finish. You
What
lost.
you need a break for? You need a break from this marriage or?
Low-key, yes. All right, so he basically lost. We'll tally up and put a score here.
This thing is so cool.
It is. He's going to be corner rounding all day. I'm going to be in my bedroom. We'll put a score right here about what he got. He got a half a point on a couple of them, and like he got a couple of them right, maybe 2 or 3 of the 15, but he definitely lost. So anyway, that is it for this
How
video.
many did everybody else get?
We don't know. We won't know until they all the videos go live at the same time. I'm going to challenge you guys to get with your spouse or like a brother or a cousin or maybe some other male figure who even remotely has an interest in what you're doing, because if they don't have an interest, then they probably don't know any answers, so you're surely going to lose. So maybe find, you know, a male counterpart who maybe knows what it is that you're doing whenever you're on the table with stickers and pins and markers and things of the sort. So anyway, that is it for this video. We hope that you guys enjoyed it, and we will see you in our next one.
Our next one.
I didn't mean to say that.
So I'm coming back.
I didn't mean to say that.
That means I'm coming back.
Bye.